Body corporate versus owner responsibility in building maintenance. Understanding maintenance responsibilities in BFP versus SFP. In community title schemes, it's important to know the division of maintenance duties between the body corporate and lot owners to avoid disputes, financial strain, or legal issues. In Queensland, responsibilities depend on whether the scheme is registered under a Building Format Plan, BFP, or Standard Format Plan, SFP. Each has different rules for property upkeep. This guide highlights the key differences and offers practical advice on managing maintenance for both formats. What is a Building Format Plan, BFP? BFPs are common for multi-storey buildings and townhouses. The body corporate usually maintains the exterior and shared areas. Body corporate responsibilities in a BFP. Exterior building, walls, roofs. Boundary structures, shed walls. Common property, driveways, pools, gyms. Essential services, plumbing, electrical. Balustrades, handrails on the exterior. Roof membranes, waterproofing. Owner responsibilities in a BFP. Inside their lot, walls, flooring, fixtures. Doors, windows, except frames. Exclusive use areas, for example, courtyard. Air conditioning, servicing one lot. Utility infrastructure within the lot. What is a Standard Format Plan, SFP? SFPs are used for townhouses or detached homes where each lot has clear land boundaries. Owners have more maintenance responsibility. Body corporate responsibilities in an SFP. Common property, shared roads, driveways, amenities. Boundary fences between common property and lots. Retaining walls supporting common property. Shared essential services, electrical, plumbing. Owner responsibilities in an SFP. Entire building inside and out. Fencing, not shared with common property. Driveways, landscaping and pathways on their lot. Exclusive use areas, if applicable. Resolving maintenance disputes. 1. Review the Community Management Statement, CMS, for responsibilities. 2. Check the BCCM Act for maintenance guidelines. 3. Review the bylaws for specific rules. 4. Seek clarification from the Body Corporate Committee. 5. Use BCCM dispute resolution services if necessary. Practical tips. Maintain your lot to prevent damage. Committees should have a clear maintenance schedule. Review bylaws regularly for accuracy. Seek professional advice for clarification. Conclusion. Understanding BFP and SFP differences is crucial for property maintenance in community title schemes. Clear responsibility definitions help prevent disputes and preserve property value. For assistance with maintenance responsibilities or body corporate management, contact us. We're here to help.